My old PC is no longer working. Problems started with the PC randomly freezing, and now the computer does not even want to start anymore. So today, let's look if we can figure out what is wrong with it. The weakest component of many computers is the hard drive. I have seen many hard drives failures, so this looks like a natural good candidate to check first. In my case, an extensive check using the manufacturer proprietary software did not find any problems here. The second check, just because of the randomness of my crashes, would be the memory. I checked the RAM using standard tests from my operating system recovery disk. There again, nothing was to be found. I have seen computers no longer working because of a video card failure before, but I have here seen no sign of video issues, sudden video aberrations, screen flashing, lines or no display at all, so I will rule out a broken video card as the cause of my PC issue based on experience. This leaves me now with only one main scenario, a broken motherboard. So, time for some visual inspection. Do you see that? It took some time, but I have been victim of the capacitor plague.
The capacitor plague was a problem related to a higher than expected failure rate of non-solid aluminium electrolytic capacitors between 1999 and 2007, especially those from some Taiwanese manufacturers, due to faulty electrolyte composition that caused corrosion accompanied by gas generation, often rupturing the case of the capacitor from the buildup of pressure. High failure rates occurred in many well-known brands of electronics, and were particularly evident in motherboards, video cards, and power supplies of personal computers.
All the capacitors of the same type have popped open, killing the motherboard. So, what happens next? In normal circumstances, if I wanted to repair the motherboard, I would swap out all the faulty capacitors for new ones to get that PC running again. But since the computer is already 16 years old and was barely used, I believe it was a sign for me to let it go and get rid of one more thing in the house. Old PC friend, goodbye.